Description. Reunite treatment is an advanced restorative treatment that quickly and dramatically transforms damaged, overworked hair. Benefits. Repairs and reinforces. Deeply nourishes and seals in moisture. Prevents cell damage, restores elasticity. Suggested use. After Reunite shampoo, apply Reunite treatment evenly from roots to ends. Leave in for 5 to 15 minutes, rinse. Est. 2003. Unite Hair was founded in 2003 on the belief that beautiful hair starts with great products. CEO and founder, Andrew Dale used his experience as a celebrity hairdresser to develop a top-performing and easy-to-use collection that caters to all hair types. No bad stuff, just good results. The American-made line contains over 45 versatile and cruelty-free products made without parabens, sodium chloride, sulfates, harsh chemicals, and residues. 3.5+ million bottles. So good, the OG Product 7 SECONDS Detangler is still a staple since making its debut 17 years ago. To date, the Detangler, Conditioner and UV Plus Protectant Hybrid has sold 3.5 million bottles, and counting. Top reviews from the United States. Helps repair bleach damaged hair. My hair was very damaged by a colorist who tried to bleach brunette into silver fox in one 7-hour sitting. After when I would brush or even comb my hair it broke off and flew all over the place. Someone suggested Reunite treatment and it did help me finally restore my damaged hair. I of course had to get a shortcut to get rid of dead hair. But Unite certainly helped.